How to set up the Lovesac AnyTable. AnyTable will arrive in a rectangular box. Be careful, the box is heavy, but it comes with handles to make moving it easier. On the inside of the top of the box, you'll find a cardboard insert with the instructions. Inside is everything you need to set up your AnyTable, no tools required. This includes one lid, 2 sliding doors, 1 removable floor, 1 AnyTable frame, 4 feet with washers, 2 L-shaped shoes, 9 felt pads, and 1 AnyTable clamp. Start with the AnyTable frame upside down. Locate the 4 feet inside of the secret ingredients kit and screw them into the anchors on the bottom of the AnyTable frame. If you're placing your AnyTable on a hard surface, use the included felt pads to protect your floor. Carefully turn the AnyTable frame right side up and slide the removable floor into place from the front of the frame. If you purchased the optional shelf or drawer kit, install that next. Begin by sliding the divider into the middle of the AnyTable frame. Align the edges of the divider with the grooves and slide it into place. With the divider in place, set your drawer onto either of the top rails. The shelf can be installed into any of the rail locations and should be done from the front. Next, locate the sliding doors. Tilt the first one and fit it into the back groove, top side first. Gently rotate the bottom of the door into place. It should drop securely into the back bottom groove. Install the second door by repeating those steps, this time in the front grooves. The doors can be installed with the handles facing in or out, allowing you to decide which look you prefer. Take the AnyTable lid and align it with the top of the frame. Press firmly down to secure the lid in place. If you're using AnyTable as a standalone end table or coffee table, your work is done. If you plan to incorporate AnyTable into your Sactional setup, start by planning your configuration and laying out your shoes. When placing the AnyTable in a corner or deep configuration, use the included L-shaped shoes to ensure a solid connection, without the shoes sticking out from under the couch. In standard configurations or flush positions, square shoes and L-shaped shoes can be used in any position. Align the feet on your AnyTable with the corresponding holes in the shoes and set it in place. There are countless ways to utilize AnyTable, both as part of and outside of your Sactionals configuration. You can also connect multiple AnyTables together. Align your AnyTables side to side or back to back. Remove the lids, then place the AnyTable clamps and lock them together. Place the lids back on and you're ready to go. You can add any number of AnyTables together or rearrange them anytime to suit your needs.